green. Again, now Mikey, this goes ahead to display. Then it goes to head to display head. Mama.
Yeah, honey.
I don't like my nose.
You need a Kleenex?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad, look at my island.
Oh, I like it.
It goes straight ahead to the island. Then it goes to the island. Then it goes to Clear Island. And it goes in the little hole where we go. Look at Mom.
I know.
Look it.
I do love it. I love all the colors.
This is a rainbow over it. I have another rainbow. Look at these rainbows. Mom, look at these rainbows.
I like your rainbows.
It goes down to the other rainbow. Look at Look at Look at Mama, look at
I see it. It's really nice, honey.
Mom, here.
Should we let it dry?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will give it to you.
Okay.
Here.
Thanks.